Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about what is mid-century style in interior design. What defines mid-century design? The mid-century style is defined by several factors. The style gives us clean line, gentle organic curve and a passion for different materials and shape. This style is from the mid 1930s to mid 1960s. He survived events like wars, uproot, and destruction. However, the quality of this style particular is timeless and appreciated for everyone to our current days. What makes him so distinctive? This particular style has some distinguishing feature that consist of a classic understated look and clean lines with minimal fuss. Keep in mind, functionality is important as form allow follow the functions. Space need to be uncultured and have sleek lines with both organic and geometric form. It also has minimal ornamentation and an exploration of different and sometimes contrasting materials. Know your colors and materials. For colors and materials, we have in this category wood and non-traditional materials such as metal, glass, vinyl and plywood. As for colors, there is a wide range that could be neutral to gold and graphic hues like black and white. Don't forget the strong shapes, texture and pattern that reflect exactly what is mid-century style. Know the history and break the mystery. Understand the distinguishing feature of style and find pieces that echo that. Iconic pieces from that period of time have been adapted and copied endlessly, and chances are that you might be able to find pieces that fit your lifestyle need. Buying vintage furniture is one way to do it, and even if you decide to buy new, generally one large piece can set the tone nicely. It doesn't have to be a set, but avoid too many patterns and stay within a color range, especially for wood. How can you have a mid-century modern living? It is happening with the help of structure and color. More we talk about furniture, art, and lighting. Accessories are also very much important in that. Thank you so much guys for watching and must subscribe my YouTube channel.